Are you sometimes struggling getting bass drum and bass guitar to work together nicely? I may have a little something for you. Hi everybody, welcome to Tidalwave Studio. Today I want to give you a quick little tip about getting bass drum and bass guitar to work nicely together. There is one little detail that is often overlooked and I really don't know why that is. Because when we're talking about bass drum and bass guitar and putting both together nicely, talking about, more compression on the bass drum, transient designer, EQing stuff on the bass drum, side chaining the bass to the bass drum and all that stuff. But one thing is overlooked, and that is timing. Timing. The bass needs to sit at the right place, and all the problems of the bass and the bass drum crowding up each other is possibly gone. Let's listen to a little example and I show you what I mean. Okay, everything seems to be fine, right? The bass drum has a nice low end, it has a nice little punch, the bass guitar is full range, no problem whatsoever. Let's zoom in and see why that is. If, for example, we are looking at those two hits, here we have the bass drum and here we have the bass guitar. And we can see that the bass guitar is coming a little bit later than the bass drum itself. And that is perfect. Why is that? Well, you can see that the bass drum has the first part of that hit all for itself. It can have all the low end, all the punch, everything, without the bass guitar trying to eat away from it. And then when the bass drum is getting more quiet, the bass is taking over. So instead of fighting with each other, they are just complementing each other. And that's the way it should be. On the other hand, if the bass now, for example, was too early, what would happen is that the softer attack of the bass is coming first and just washing out the initial attack of the bass drum. So you have the feeling that, my bass drum is so soft, but when I listen in solo, it's fine. But when I listen to it in the mix, it somewhat is gone. Okay, let's quickly move the bass a little bit too early and listen to the difference. Move it back to where it belongs to. Just put your bass guitar behind the bass drum and you will not need to do any ducking, any side chaining, any whatsoever. Every instrument will have its space on its own. The bass drum is coming first, and when it's getting more quiet, the bass is taking over. Perfect teamwork, problem solved. Give this a shot and let me know if it works for you. Thanks for watching, I hope this was helpful and see you in the next video. Bye bye.